Now he's traveling through space. Do. Bring it on. Hello, welcome back, CyberCat. Project we're working on today is the CyberCat Robo. And what we have here is an X-ray version and the stale version. Let's press play. You can see the camera sitting right here for this guy. Back then, and this guy on the left. So what I essentially did is get this guy, design it into a bunch of different colors and animated it, but a lot is into the camera settings. So as I peek in here, you can see the textures that I added to the CyberCat spaceship and camera movements and other movements. As you see, as you go into any one of these wings, you go into the properties, you go and you create a material and change that material to a pattern from your pictures and pick the pictures you want. It lays it out on the textures, which makes it a cool, amazing Blender project. And again, go into the camera movements and dialing them in to my specific likings. And then in the end, get something like this. So after that, I would render animation onto this window, let it do its thing, set my camera settings up, go to my viewport, set the render engine Eevee, set my bloom, go all the way down, add some freestyle, color management. You also want a filmic, and then go to your other properties tab, and you're going to want to change this to FM MPEG video. Then you want to go down. You can change that to MPEG 4. I gotta set the QuickTime, but MPEG 4 is what you normally would use. And that's about it. Back to render animation.